loves, welcome to my channel. Today is day 13 of November. Today I'll be doing a Money Mondays. I haven't done one of these in so long, but I'm back again with another one. For today's Money Mondays video, I'm going to give you guys 5 different apps that you guys can use to 5 different apps that you guys can make money off of. My very first Money Mondays video on 5 different ways you can make money online fast and easy. That video went really well. I got 100,000 views on that, about 102 right now, 102,000, which is amazing. Shout out to all of my subscribers that came from that video, but I've been asking for me to do another one, so I'm here again with another one. Before I start, my name is Ruby. I'm a 19-year-old college lifestyle and beauty blogger. For the month of November, I'll be uploading a new video every single day. Today is day 13. I have 13 other videos up for November. Dang, that's crazy. 13 videos this month. I'm really working hard, you guys. If you're in college, you know that November is really like the struggle month for college students, and over here trying to have like 5 assignments due, exams. My birthday is in 2 days. I'm celebrating my birthday this weekend. I have a whole bunch of stuff that's going on with me right now, and I'm trying to upload every single day. The past 3 November videos have been vlogs. I do apologize, I haven't had time to like really think of good content videos for you guys, but I'm getting back on track. I have a really good video for you guys tomorrow. And then yeah, don't forget to add me on my social media platforms. I'm going to put it right here on the top corner of the screen. But let's begin. So oh, and also for November, I will be doing a giveaway. If you guys haven't entered my giveaway yet, it's ending in about 12 days, ends on the 25th. So make sure you guys enter that giveaway. I'm giving away $300, $100 to 3 different people, and I'm also going to be sending out a new gem of the day every single day of November. Today is going to go to, I wrote this down, it's birthdays. Today's a birthday. Gem of the day goes to Jasmine Tamara. I'm going to put her social media on the screen right here, as well as Akila. I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, but I'm pretty sure you pronounce it Akila. But I'm going to put her picture on the screen as well. Well, I'm going to put it on both sides of the screen so you guys can follow both of them. Happy birthday to you guys. Thank you guys so much for being supporters of my channel. I really do appreciate you guys. I really appreciate everybody that subscribes, that comments on my videos, that likes, that's been commenting on my Instagram posts, that's been replying to my Snapchat, like have been DMing me and stuff on Snapchat. If you guys are watching right now, don't forget to add me on Snap, and snap me if you guys are watching this video so that I can put you guys on my story. But you guys, I look so bad right now. I'm actually really disappointed in myself, but it's been a long day, a very long day. But let's go into the video. So the first app I'm going to start off with is an app that I've mentioned before, but I've gotten so many DMs and so many messages, so many everything of people saying how much they love this app and how much it's helped them. So I'm going to start it off with Ibotta. I'm not like sponsored by them or anything, but you guys seem to love Ibotta. Let me give you guys more information about this real quick. So basically, you can get paid through Ibotta several different ways. One way that I always use is I take Ubers a lot, and they give you $1 back for every Uber that you take. That's one. 2, you can scan your receipts and you can get cash back after you scan your receipts from like Target, Walmart, a whole bunch of different places. You're also able to check different cashback offers in your area. Different areas have different cashback offers. Like for example, I don't have a Publix by me, but I know that Publix is available in different areas, like in the South and stuff like that. But yeah, they have Best Buy, Target, a whole bunch of different places that you guys can check out. With my code in the description bar down below, you guys can, it's like a referral code, you guys can get $10 extra. So you guys start off with $10 and it's 10 free dollars. Like you might as well just download the app and, you know, use my code. And you also have to redeem at least $1. I believe it's like in the first 5 days after downloading the app, so you guys have to make sure you do that in order to get the free $10. But like, you know, if you redeem $1, you get $10. So it's like, you might as well. And then after you finish redeeming all of their points and stuff like that, you can get the cash directly through PayPal or Venmo or a whole bunch of different gift cards. I'll put it on the side of the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm just going to show you guys different places that they have the offers. Amazon, Walmart, Uber, Poshmark. There's a whole bunch of different places that you guys can get stuff from. Hollister. So you guys check that website out, well, not website, app out, and you're able to get a lot back. Oh shoot, you see, this is why it's a good thing to use this app, because I didn't know that the Echo Dot on Amazon gets you 3% cash back, and I just bought an Amazon Dot for my aunt. for her birthday. So I could have gotten 3% off, and I didn't even know. But just make sure you guys check this app very frequently so you guys are up to date with all the stuff that you can get cash back on. And also there's also on here as well, so it's lit. So make sure you guys check that app out, download the app. Let me know if you download it in the description bar down below. Let me know if it helps you. Yeah, so download the app, use my link, use my referral code. I'll put it on the screen as well so you guys don't forget, and you guys can get free $10. The next app I'm sharing with you guys today is called Shopkick. I'll put like a picture of it on the screen so you guys know what to click on when you download the app. But with this app, you basically get paid to walk into stores. So every time you walk into a specific store that's on the app, you get a kick, and you can redeem the kicks for cash, like PayPal, gift cards, and stuff like that. So it's very easy. Like if you go to the mall one day and you just decide to go on all the places on your app, that's what I used to do over the summer. Guilty. But so if you go on the app and then you just go through all the places that have and you go into all the different places that are on Shopkick, you can get a different kick, or like you can the stores include Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, and you can get gift cards for like Amazon, Target, Walmart, Best Buy. You know, it's pretty interesting, and I honestly thought it was fake until I actually redeemed my first like money or whatever. My first money when I redeemed for the first time. So just like I bought it, I have another like code or referral code, and with this one, if you use my code, you get 250 kicks, which is lit. I'm gonna put the code on the screen and the description bar down below. So make sure after you add that code, after you download the app, you use that code and you get 250 kicks. There's 4 different ways you guys can get a kick when you get into a store. The first way is through walk-in. So every time you walk into a store, you get a kick. Also, if you scan your receipts, if you scan items, you get a kick, or you can get multiple kicks. And if you scan a receipt, you get multiple kicks. So if you go to a store like Target and you just start scanning random stuff, you can get a kick, or you can get multiple kicks, and as well as receipts. And if you buy something with a link card on your app, you can get a kick as well. Download that app, use my code, and if you redeem something in the first 7 days, you get 250 kicks. So it's lit. For example, at Walmart, if you go like shopping at Walmart, this is perfect for like what's that thing called, Black Friday. If you scan your receipt, every 6 items you buy, you get $1. So you might as well, like, you're basically getting cash back just like Ibotta with this app, and it's lit. So yeah, make sure you guys download the app and you guys can get free money for just doing stuff that you normally do. This next app is actually really crazy. Like, I honestly thought this was a scam. Not a scam, but like I thought it was fake until I started using it as well. And I put my mom onto it. My mom does this challenge where she walks, I think she says 10,000 steps a day, but she's making money now. It's called Sweatcoin. Yeah, so Sweatcoin is lit because you can get paid for just taking steps. The only thing is the steps have to be outside, so you kind of, I don't know. It's like getting harder because my mom doesn't do this anymore because she only walks in like the summertime when it's nice outside. But if you live in a nicer area that's not New York or New Jersey, I'm pretty sure you guys can still walk outside. But this is perfect for like college students as well because you have to walk to class, like, obviously, or walk to your buildings, walk to the caf and stuff like that. So when you're walking to the caf, you can get paid, you know. Yeah, so make sure you guys download that app. So yeah, with this, you guys so you guys can cash out your sweat coins with a whole bunch of different things on the website. A lot of the stuff here is like fitness related. Like they have Fitbits, they have just a whole bunch of different stuff, like different sweatbands, stuff like that. But they also have Amazon vouchers as well as PayPal vouchers. So with PayPal, you guys basically just get free money, because like when you link your PayPal, a lot of people don't know this, but like PayPal, you can send the money straight to your bank account. So that's what I use mostly for all these different apps, because it's like just putting money into your bank account. But yeah, make sure you guys can use my link in the description bar down below, and you get free like extra sweat coins by using my code. So you start off with sweat coins even though you didn't even do anything yet. So you guys can use that. But yeah, I definitely recommend that for college students because you guys don't realize how much you walk every day going to and from class, so it's lit. So this app is called Inbox Dollars, and basically you get to you're just paid to watch movies online. Not watch movies, watch TV shows online. It has a whole bunch of different things to watch, including cooking, entertainment, news, health. So yeah, just a app that allows you to watch TV. I don't know if there's anything like connected to it, but I'm pretty sure that just like the other apps, it connects to PayPal so you guys can get cash. But that's that. I can't really talk too much about that. But make sure you guys let me know if you guys use any of these apps because I definitely want to know. My favorite ones for real is Ibotta, Sweatcoin, and what's the other one I just said? Another one I have is called Dosh. This is similar to Ibotta. What I typically do now, this is something I just started using, but with Ibotta, when you scan your receipts, you can scan your receipts with Dosh as well. So I just do it like I get double the points because I have it on 2 different sites. Like obviously Ibotta and Dosh aren't connected, so if I do it on one site, I can just get double the amount if I just open up the next app, Dosh, and do the same thing. But it's a cashback app that pays you for making purchases at certain places like Nike, Target, Chuck E. Cheese's, hotel places, and yeah, it's lit. Pretty much similar to Ibotta, but it's just another app. And the last one I have for y'all is called Lucktastic. This one is pretty cool. You have like scratch off tickets and stuff like that, so this app is basically like a scratch off ticket that you don't have to pay for because the app is free. But there's like instant wins that ranges between like $1 to like $10,000, but I don't think anybody's gotten $10,000 to be honest. But I get $1 every now and then. But you can also earn points and tokens through playing games, watching videos. It's all about like ads and stuff like that. I think that's how they're getting paid. But I feel like after you watch an ad, you get tokens. But I mean, I feel like that's how the payment is working, I guess, because like with YouTube you get paid through ads as well, so I'm guessing that the app is getting paid through ads because you don't have to pay for it. But it's pretty cool though. I've gotten about $21 so far, but it's like free $21, so it's like you might as well. So that's it. I'll put all the codes and stuff like that in the description bar down below so that you guys can use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys 5 different ways that you guys can get money fast and easy through apps. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Bye guys.